Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel which is Python Baba, and in this video we will discuss this pattern. So without wasting time, let's get start. Let's take new file. Okay, here a row are 0 to 5, which is 6. Row is 6 and column is 11, which is 0 to 10. So first for loop for row we will take. Okay, for row range of 11. Okay, for column range column range 6 with 0 to 5. Okay, if condition, then print, we want to print star if any condition is satisfied, and because we want to in same line. If this condition is not satisfied, then else part will be execute, and print, we want to take space if condition is not satisfied. Okay, after this for loop column, after each column we take new line. Okay, here condition, what condition we have to write here. You see here column value is 5 and row column value is 0 and row value is 5. Okay, and see here for this column value is 1 and row value is 4. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 0 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 2 5. Okay, and another is 5. This is column 5 and this is row 0. 0 minus 0 minus 5 minus 0 is 5. This is column 6 and this is row 2. 6 minus 1 if this is 5. Okay, so we will write this condition like this. Okay, if row plus column is equals to 5, or column minus row is equals to 5, then print. Okay, let's save it. Save anywhere as you like. Run this. Okay, to run why this is, let's check. Sorry, row is 6, and column is 11, column range 11. Okay, run it. Yeah, it's working properly. Then we want to take this we want to write condition for this. Okay, we have to write code for this line. Okay, so see here 0 1 2 if row value is 2 and column value in range 0 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7, okay, 3 to 7 we want to print star. Okay, let's put here, already written this, so let's take notation. Or row value is equals to 2 and column value in the range of 4 to or 3 to 7 actually, because this is already printed, also. Okay, Control S, run this module. Okay, this is absolutely fine. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you learn something from this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.